Good afternoon, State College. I am student meteorologist Tony Chiavaroli here on September 6, 2016. And if you are a fan of hot and humid weather this time of the year, then you're going to be a fan of this upcoming forecast. Just take a look at this right now. Clear blue skies over Beaver Stadium. Temperatures hovering in the mid-70s. Sitting right now at 73 in State College. The feel-like temp also of 73 with some nice calm light winds currently in the State College area. So again, sitting at 73 right now, but 81 degrees as we move a little bit further to the northeast up in Bellefonte. So some nice differentiability here with the temperatures. 79 is moving further up north into Williamsport, and then down here just really getting this heat building here. 80 in Selinsgrove and 86 your warm spot down there in Carlisle. Stretching even into Harrisburg with that potential for some really heavy snowfall and blizzard-like conditions. Not going to be very smart to be traveling outside in these kind of conditions. So here's the storm setup. Have this high pressure system out here to the west. Low pressure system off here on the coast to our east, moving up and strengthening throughout the day today into tonight. Looking to have higher snow totals here in the east, stretching from Boston all the way down to Philly, but still State College here in our hometown, looking to have some decent snowfall. Get to those totals for you in a little bit. But here's the track of the storm. We're going to stop right here, 7 a.m. You can see that low pressure system sitting and spinning right here off the coast, dumping some heavier rain on cities such as Washington and even all the way down to Raleigh, North Carolina, and then dumping the snow here in New York, northern portions of New Jersey, and Pennsylvania. Now that's going to be moving its way through Tuesday, and then boom. It's just going to be out of here, getting into Wednesday evening, and Wednesday night it's going to already be out of Pennsylvania. Throughout the rest of the week, as you see those scattered showers continuing Wednesday night into Thursday as well. Breaking up here a little bit on Thursday, you might have some peaks of sun, but those conditions continuing all the way through Friday here in the State College area. But again, let's get back to that weather today. That high of 66, mostly sunny with some nice light calm winds. Cooling down tonight a little bit into the mid-40s, around 45, with some increasing clouds and a southwest wind of 5 to 10 miles an hour. And now, what most of you have been waiting for, your State College 7-day forecast. Again, mostly sunny today, your high of 66. A chance of showers on Wednesday, dropping off into the high 50s with the high getting back up to 74 on Thursday with some scattered showers and a chance for some thunderstorms potentially. Might hear a rumble of thunder with those. And we've got some big changes for you here on the way. Sitting right now at day 7 of our 90-plus degree heat wave, probably going to end tomorrow. It's going to be really close, whether it's going to be 8 days or not. We're going to be right on that 90 degree, 89, 88, us all the way throughout the day. And right here is where you really want to look. Here's Thursday night. Some heavier rain out here to the west that's going to be building its way in.
PSN, and you're going to have to really bear with me for this one. As you can tell, my voice is a little raspy from yelling at the Penn State game this weekend, and I have been a little bit under the weather. So let's get through this forecast. Again, please bear with me here. So today, we really started drying out. Those dry and sunny conditions going to be continuing throughout the week, all the way through this Thursday, where we're going to see a chance for showers. Those fall-like temps really getting back into the picture tonight, going to have lows in the mid-30s. So going to want to break out those winter jackets very soon. And the latest on Hurricane Matthew again, as we've really been updating and really been keeping a track on it for you guys. So you see most models have it going out to sea, not going to be affecting the United States anymore. This past weekend, a decent amount of models had it swinging back down and affecting the Bahamas here. The southern tip of Miami, making it its way through to Cuba, but looking like it's going to be safely out to sea, but is going to be a hurricane that will not be soon forgotten, as it did affect a lot of people here in our country, as well as other nations. So yesterday, for our neck of the woods, the precipitation really only affecting northwest.
So it's still hot here in our picture, but not as humid. We're not going to have that humidity moving its way back into the picture until Thursday. And you see these storms down here affecting Charleston, Roanoke, making their way here into the D.C. area, but staying south of Harrisburg. On the lake, and 52 down in Pittsburgh. Now, in terms of precipitation, nothing right now shown up on the board. Let's take a look all the way across the Commonwealth here. Just dry. Have some clouds up here to our northern tier counties and out there to our west, but just dry all the way across the Commonwealth. So it's a good time to be outside with temperatures in the high 40s. Pretty comfortable for this time of the year. And now as we roll through, however, going to stop that right there. Tuesday night, we've got the rain that's moving its way back into the State College area, which is going to bring on and off showers throughout the day on Tuesday as we roll on throughout the day. Going to have some heavier downpours here Tuesday morning. So whether you're on your way to work or making your way to class, going to want to have a rain jacket, parka, or an umbrella with you as you make your way throughout the day on Tuesday. Now, the real weather headline, though, for this week is going to be Wednesday night into Thursday. Just take a look at this. We have this clipper system just creeping its way slowly into the picture on Wednesday night, and then boom, going to have some snow potentially in the State College area all the way down to Harrisburg. You see the dividing line here. This model projecting it's going to be a little bit further to the south near Philly. So right here is going to be the mixed line. We're going to have that rain to the south with some showers on Sunday. But how is the weather going to be shaking out for the blue and white game this Saturday? I'll get to that in just a little bit. And speaking of the blue and white game, take a look here. Our beloved Beaver Stadium behind me. We're really hoping to see that place rocking this Saturday for the blue and white game at 3 p.m. But right now, sitting at 55 degrees in the State College area with some nice, light, calm winds. So really, I urge you, right now, if you're watching this, please get outside. It is beautiful out there today in State College. Temperatures around the rest of the local area, you see here getting into the upper 50s for the most part around State College. And then as I pan you out to the rest of the state, you can see here getting into the 60s already down in cities such as Philadelphia, 61 in Harrisburg, and already up to 60 out there in Pittsburgh with the fall possibly in the area of 1 to 2 inches over the course of Thursday night into Friday. And then we're going to have a little bit more of the swinging down affecting us later Friday evening as well. Rest of the night and Tuesday looking to stay pretty dry. Might see some cloud cover, maybe a little pop-up shower, especially as we make our way into Wednesday. You can see these clouds and showers building their way back in. Here's 2 p.m. As you can see, still clear for the eastern portion of the state, but these storms are really making their way in here over western PA from Pittsburgh all the way up to Bradford. Those are going to be making their way into the State College area throughout the day. So going to see definitely a hit or miss shower. I don't know if there's going to be really enough juice in the air, not going to really have enough heat and humidity. With that cloud cover, cooling things off a little bit, not providing for much convection there, but definitely going to want to have an umbrella with you if you were going to be walking around the State College area tomorrow. But today, plentiful sunshine, a gorgeous day to be outside in State College. 86, again, your high. And you know, if you're near a pool, I'm going to want to have those ACs still cranking as we make our way throughout the week. But cooling down tonight, 62 degrees, mostly clear with light winds, still of 5 to 10 miles per hour. And your 7-day State College area forecast, that plentiful sunshine continuing throughout the rest of the day with mostly clear skies at night. Your high of 86. Wednesday, that stray chance for a thunderstorm. Again, definitely going to see a few pop-up showers. Your high of 87. Hot and humid on Thursday. And yes, I do believe we are going to be getting back into the 90s with a high of 90 on Thursday. Mostly sunny on Friday, a little cooler, and that chance of thunderstorms. We woke up really early this morning. We're out going for a run. You experienced some really chilly temperatures. Temperatures tonight and early this morning getting into the mid and low 30s here in State College. So definitely warranting some winter jackets. But right now, 45 degrees in State College, those clear skies, some wispy clouds out there, that dew point of 39, some calm winds, really warmth really building back in, hopefully getting to around 60 today here in the State College area. But these temperatures right now all the way across the board, pretty cool for this time. 46 up in Williamsport, 51 in Bellefonte, 40 degrees down there, the cool spot in Huntington. A little bit warmer as we move further out toward the sides of the state. 58 in Carlisle and 57 in Indiana. 54 in Pittsburgh as well, and the warm spot up on the lake. 58 western Pennsylvania. That's going to be making its way back into the picture very soon. And the wind speeds, though, really something to take a look at. Wednesday early afternoon, look for wind speeds to gust all the way up into the high 30s for State College. And just take a look at some of the numbers on this board here. 23 in Scranton, 22 in Harrisburg, 39 all the way over here in Pittsburgh a Wednesday afternoon, and 34 up in Bradford. So you're going to want to hold on to your hats if you're going to be outside in Pennsylvania on Wednesday afternoon, as the winds are really going to be getting gusty as we move our way throughout the day. I've just been having some beautiful weather conditions here in the State College area today. Just take a look behind me over our beloved Beaver Stadium. Clear, sunny, blue skies, and temperatures sitting in the mid to low 70s. Right now it's 73 with the feel like also of 73, as we have a lighter wind of a south wind of 5 to 6 miles per hour. And then the radar and satellite showing us just nothing across the board. Dry and sunny for all of Pennsylvania, and even stretching out to cities such as Cleveland all the way over here to New York City. Just no clouds on radar, No precipitation popping up, just a spectacular day to be outside today with those temperatures in the mid-70s as shown right here on the board. 77 in Williamsport, 77 in Scranton, so a little bit warm. Been having a great homecoming Friday here in State College, but some rain is going to be on the way. However, looking to hold off until after the parade today, so for those of you going out for the homecoming parade today, looking like you should be staying dry, but still have an umbrella on hand just in case. The heaviest rain tomorrow, looking to start before the game, so tailgaters going to want to have those ponchos and umbrellas ready tomorrow. But again, no umbrellas. Can't bring those into the game, people. Got to remember that. And the latest on Hurricane Matthew, its future track and where it's looking like it's going to be heading in the near future. And State College, right now, over at Beaver Stadium, we've got a few spotty clouds.